Good morning, everyone. What page are we reading today? 13. Yeah, page 13. How many? Close your book. Today, how many countries are we going to talk about today? 3. Point to someone and sit down. Morocco. What is the first country? Mexico. What country? Maria's country. What is the country? Peru. Boy or girl? What is boy or girl? So what is his name? Louis. From what country? Peru. Okay, to you sit down. What is another country that one? ពេលនេះអានស្រួលបំផុត Greece មិនមែន cheese មកណាកូន Greece Greece. So what is his or her name? His or her, boy or girl? So what is her name? No, Eleni from what country that one? Huh? Grace. Sit down. Everyone, what is her name? Eleni from what country? From Greece. So what is the food? Who can read? I give you 1 point. Gyros. Good job, Ben. Okay, 1 point for Ben. Ben, what number are you? Number 1? Correct? Number 3. 3 plus 1 equal? 4. Cannot point. No. Cannot. Just kidding. Okay, let's go. What is the third one? Easy, 100% easy. Lavina, Japan. Boy or girl?
Boy.
What is the boy's name?
Hero.
Good job, Hero, what do he eat? Ramen. Okay, this one, what is the title for our paragraph today? Street food. Where can we find it? In Walk Street. And what else? In Siem Reap. Can we find it out in our home? Yes. But that picture, where do they sell? No. Street នឹងបោះប្រែថាម៉េច street ចឹងអាហារតាម Yeah, street food. Where can we find street food? Where? Yes. Where can we find street food? Yes, at the street. Easy. Okay, sit down and read now. Listen. What is his name? Lou. From where country? Peru. I just without recording, where can we find it? Yeah, group Telegram. Okay, can you read exercise number 1, please? What's the title? Oh, your number? job. Ta, I play for you. You listen ណាតិចអឺអត់មានហ្នងអឺអត់មានហ្នងនឹងchờអានឲ្យដែរណា
Yeah.
យេទៅឈើជីកោះសង្អេ I have sore throat right now តា it's okay តាមានហ្នឹងចាអានហើយតាចូល picture 1 and this what is it so delicious
I think
barbecue with what yellow อ่ะ
potato.
it tissues
No. Potato.
โอ้ anti cook មើលឈើ Google for you what do we read this one anti kuchos hey listen it's like barbecue គេអាំងសាច់ពពែ yes it tissue ញ៉ាំกระดาษជូតមាន់ជាមួយថ្លើមគោno បេះដូងគោ yeah oh my god so not cute តើមកគេអានមើលស្ងាត់ចុះចង់ដឹងដល់គេអានទៅម៉េចអត់លឺ anticucus anticochosอันนี้K อันนี้ชะ anticochos okay ตา repeat after me hi I'm from Lima in Peru I like street food Street food is food that you can eat on the street. Street you can eat on the street. Every country has street food. In Cambodia, street food យើងមានគេខ្លះមើលនំប៉័ងដាក់សាច់អូតបកជិះញ៉ាំកើតលតឆែនំបញ្ចប់បាយឆែបងទាកូនមាន់អាំងបុកល្ហុងសាច់គោអាំងបងខូចកោចុះភីសាម street food អត់ French fries អូយអាមកមាន street food ដែរទៅណានំកៅថ្នោតយ៉ាចុះលីហាលតា Every country has street foods In Peru lots of people like anticochos In Peru lots Anticochos. Again in Peru. Lots. Cochos. It's meat with vegetables. Like peppers and carrots. Where is carrot? I don't see. ទីមើលក្នុងសាច់គោនេះហ่า What can we see? វាមានសាច់គោ This one green cucumber and this red. Oh no, red. But that plant really is not tomatoes. Okay. How about this one? Yellow. Potato. Oh, pineapple. Check it along. It's a potatoes. I think it's I don't know. Ta. We eat. We eat. Anticochos. With bread. Or with potatoes. It's yummy. What street food can people eat in your country? Can you read Louis Peru all together? 1, 2, 3. Louis. Okay, ta. Next one is boy or girl. What is it called? Gyros. Mama gyros na no. Oh, it look like him. Wow. It look like a dessert. Like ice cream như nè. Okay. Do I ask you? Yeah, look like burrito. I guess called burrito no ngon. But Mexican food Yeah, look like this. Ta burrito cái đã beans, cái đã beans. Ta này với cái đã sạch chởn, đôi tô kỳ. Cái đã cheese tiền này ui nó ngon ui. Ta này tôn trường. Ta sẽ bỏ với hiện khảnh rồi lấy. Ta ổn không miền ông lẽ ban ta sọc khéo nhằm mà ha chẳng á. Ta this country what is it called? Greece. So what's our person today for Greece? Eleni. Ta Eleni vậy ta Louis. Hi Louis. I'm from Athens. Athens. In Greece. People in Athens eat lot of gyros. A gyro is a street food from Greece. It's a bread called pita with meat. It's a bread called pita with meat. Salad and chips in it. What's another word for chips? Good job. French fries. I have gyros for dinners on Saturdays. It's my hate food. Good job. Ta, trong khỏi môn dương bà lỏng. Where's this guy? Một sự điện tour Japan. So where is it from?
Japan.
What's his name?
Hero.
Like Hiroshima. Hiro.
Hero.
Hiro.
Hero.
From Japan.
From Japan.
Hello, I'm from Tokyo in Japan.
Tokyo.
Hello.
Hello, I'm from Tokyo in Japan.
Tokyo
Tokyo.
in Japan. Japan.
In Japan.
You can eat lots of great street food in Japan.
You can eat
Lots of great
street food in Japan.
great
Great.
not great
Great.
street foods.
Street food in Japan.
Ôi, đây bên này lại strut đang đầu lại tao đu lại đi. Strut. 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 Strut eat. Strut eat street. Street food in Japan. My favorite street food is ramen. Ramyeon. Ramen is a soup with noodles. You can eat ramen with vegetables. Meat, fish, or egg. I like ramen with egg. I have ramen for lunch on Fridays. Ta khai we read together នៅក្នុងថ្នាក់នេះមានតែ2នាក់ណាអត់សូវចេះអាន3នេះ4អ្នកដែលឈរឆ្អល់ហ្នឹងទៅដល់ផ្ទះមើលសភៅអានណាយ៉ាត់ homework អានមកអូខេតា Hello Japan Hello 1 2 3 Hello present and now in out the favorite number 2 please number 1 Louis and T Coach true or false Gyros. True or false? Alan, I have. Gyros. This one on Sunday or Saturday? True or false? Đây là Saturday, này là Sunday, so cái thử. Đây cái là Saturday, này cái là Sunday. Dạ đúng.
Cái này.
Reading một tiết